Setting up a Microsoft 365 backup job for the first time can feel a little challenging if you are not sure where to start, which mailboxes to include, which format to save in, and how to make sure the job actually runs the way you expect. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Microsoft 365 backup job using Kernel Office 365 Backup Tool, so your data stays protected and easily recoverable whenever you need it. Make sure you have downloaded the tool from the official website and launch it on your system. Click on the Add Job button or click Microsoft 365 Mailboxes plus OneDrive to begin the process. Enter a project name followed by a job name and click Next. Click Yes on the pop-up to confirm creating it and proceed. Enter the Office 365 connection details, tenant ID, client ID, and client secret. You can even import O365 users and download a sample CSV file to avoid enumerating all users from the Microsoft 365 tenant, and click Next. Select Office 365 Mailbox Backup from the Office 365 components to save data from Office 365 Mailbox Backup and Office 365 OneDrive Backup. Click OK. We are continuing the process with Office 365 Mailbox Backup. Wait for a while to let the tool load directories. Here, you can see the software has listed all the users present in your mailbox. If you want to add all the users, tick the checkbox next to Select All, or you can search for a specific user you want to back up. Once selected, click Next. Expand the selected mailboxes by clicking on the plus sign to see all the mailbox folders and files. Select what you want to back up and click Next. Select the required data filters from Date Filters, Item Filters, Exclude Empty Folders, Exclude Deleted Folders. Select if you want to save all data hierarchy into a separate folder, skip previously backed up items, save newly arrived data only, set an operation timeout for larger files while downloading. Finally, click Next. Select the destination type and click the Browse button to provide the destination path from the local storage. Provide the path from your PC to save the backup files and click Next. You can either select Execute Immediate or select Schedule it for later. If you have selected Schedule, then click Change Schedule, select the date, time, and other necessary details, and click Next. In this way, the Office 365 Mailbox Backup job is created using the Kernel Office 365 Backup tool. To know more about the tool, visit the official website. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.